What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys are doing good. Today with me, I got a 2018 freightliner. So what I'm doing on this engine is I'm replacing the two coolant lines that go connects to the compressor. The reason why I'm changing them is because they did an update on those two hoses. As you can see, now the steel and this one is flexible, and now we have a plug. So the steel one will go here, the plug would go there, and the flexible rubber hose will go inside there. But while the cooling is draining, I'm gonna start removing this pipe, this hot pipe right here. One bolt here, so 3 bolts, and this one here, and loosen up one of the clamps, and then this should come out. After that, remove the clamp here and here, take this hose out of there, remove the sensor, remove the clip. Then once that out, I'm gonna remove this intake manifold, which is 1 bolt here, 1 right there, 5/8 both of them, and then 1 here, 1 there, 1 underneath here, can't see it, and then 1 here, but there's 1 right there, you can barely see it, but there should be 3 bolts. Once this is smooth and removed, we're gonna have more room to work on it. All right, so I removed the intake manifold. I just removed 1 clamp. Next will be removing this bolt, that one, and that bolt right there. So this I already got it loose. Just make sure you have something underneath to collect the fuel that is gonna fall off or it's gonna drain, but it won't be that much. So, and then another thing is, like, if you can just get a zip tie, that way it doesn't go back. You can just zip tie, put a zip tie to this, so that way you have more room. Once you remove that, then we're gonna start removing the clips, and then I'll show you guys how to do that. So the next step will be removing the clips using a picker. So put it through there. So you see it has a locking mechanism too when it's open. So that right there is open. We got 1 here. Let's see, right there. Yeah, and then we'll do the same thing. I don't know if you can see, it's too bright, let me see, there's 1 right there and 1 right there, so that's a little one. And then the end of this, the long one, it is, I don't know if you can see, but it's right there. So that's the end of it. This one is a little harder, but once you get in, once you pop it out, it should be able to, should be easy to pull it out. So yeah, and then take this out first, and then next you have more room to do the smaller one. So I already took it out. So this is what it looks like. So this is plastic, so it used to break very easily. Now they updated to a rubber. The ends are the same, and then this one, the plastic one, they updated to steel, to solid steel, and the ends of it is plastic, is, I'm sorry, rubber, and same fitting as well. Another thing what they did is they eliminate this hose, this connection here. So now this is gonna be a plug. That's where this go. So that one single one, it goes right here. So the plug goes right there. So just make sure, guys, to clean up the, see, it's a little dirty, so make sure you clean up that. And then hopefully this video was helpful, and thank you guys for watching and subscribe.